The 2019 Ram 1500 is accessible with cutting-edge security tech, however it includes some significant pitfalls. The 2019 Ram 1500 guarantees huge walks as far as security over a year ago's model. That shouldn't take much, in case we're straightforward. The most recent Ram hasn't been crash-dried, so we're keeping down its score until the point that we know more. All Rams accompany what's basically the base level of well-being gear: 6 airbags, electronically monitored slowing mechanisms, a rear-view camera, and soundness control. Eminently, the rear-view camera includes a zoom work on Rams with the bigger 8.4 and 12.0 inch infotainment screens. An encompass C camera framework is discretionary on Laramie or more Rams. Blindside screens are discretionary on Bighorn, Lone Star and higher trim levels. They're standard on the Limited. Lamentably, just Laramie, Laramie Longhorn, and Limited trim levels are accessible with a heap of innovative in the discretionary advanced safety group: programmed crisis braking, dynamic path control, and programmed crisis braking. We jump at the chance to see those highlights accessible on the higher volume Ram Bighorn, Lone Star trims, as well. No deficiency of pockets and cubbies mean drivers and travelers have almost incalculable approaches to loose bins, notepads, little youngsters, and base watercrafts. Obviously, the Ram is a pickup, and its bed is typically huge. Team taxis offer 5 feet 7 inches or 6 feet 4 inches bed lengths, while the Borden taxi cab gets just the more extended decision. Discretionary receptacles coordinated into the bedsides promoted as Ram boxes are accessible for much greater utility. Inside the bed, accessible lights, a bed liner, and payload tie-downs increment adaptability. We'd be delinquent without getting out the Ram's noteworthy inside quality, paying little mind to trim level. Hard plastic trim is consigned to the work-situated tradesman. Settle on the Bighorn, Lone Star trim, and the entryway boards and dash are done in materials that are delicate to the touch. The range-finishing Laramie Longhorn is a champion with its genuine wood trim boards that incorporate a kitschy cool identification that is really marked into the material, by machine, not cowpoke, but rather still.